Are you ready to unlock the secrets to successful multifamily investing? Many new investors focus solely on finding the right property. And while that's important, that's only one piece of the puzzle. The real key to long-term profitability and building lasting wealth in real estate lies in the operational infrastructure of your investment. So today I'm going to share with you a simple yet powerful framework that has helped countless beginning investors like you build thriving portfolios. It's called the 4M's of real estate. So what I want you to do is think of your multifamily property as a sturdy four-legged stool. Each leg represents a critical component of your investment success. And these are the 4M's: management, money, marketing, and maintenance. And just like a stool, your property needs all four legs to be strong and stable to support your financial goals. Even if one of these legs becomes wobbly or breaks, the entire structure is at risk of collapsing. So let's break down each of these essential pillars. All right, the first leg of the stool is the first M, management. Okay, the management is the brains of the operation, is non-negotiable. You need to have good management on your property, whether you manage it yourself or you hire a company. Management must be spot on so that everything runs smoothly. Okay, a good management team will also handle rent collection, tenant relations, and it keeps your units occupied. Don't forget, we are in the rental income business, and this part needs to run in order for everything else, all the other three legs, to work. Okay? So it ensures all parts of the business are in harmony. Okay? That's the first leg. Let's go to the second leg. Got questions? Simply text the word Peter to 833-942-4516 and we'll help you. The second leg of the stool, the second M, is money. Okay, money is the fuel. It's the engine. It runs the engine of the property. It provides the fire to make everything work. Okay, so the money on your property is going to pay for the day-to-day operations. Okay, it's going to pay the mortgage, taxes, repairs, renovations, and you. Okay, if you don't take good care of this M, you are not getting paid, okay? Neither are your investors. It's going to cover unexpected costs because things break when you own apartments, okay? When you own multifamily, things break. Just a natural part of the business. You need money to cover these type of things or you could start to spiral down, all right? And lastly, money is used to generate a consistent profit because remember, this is the purpose of your investment. Thus, the importance of this second M, money. Got it? All right, let's go to the third M. Before I get started on leg number 3 or the third M, let me just share this. Whenever I see a underperforming multifamily property or property that has negative cash flow or is distressed, I immediately take a look at the 4 M's. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guarantee you 100% one or more than one of those M's are not working. Guaranteed, you try it. All right, let's go to the third M. The third M or the third leg of the stool is marketing, okay? Marketing allows you to attract and retain the best tenants, okay? All right, so if you do a good job of marketing, you're gonna keep your units filled, all right? With online listings, property photos, social media, and the most important thing here is your marketing is going to pull in people that you can close on, that you can sell for them to sign a lease and move into your units. This starts with marketing, okay? Very important piece because you can't just sit back and wait for people to find you. They won't. Super competitive out there. They won't find you. So this piece has to be working or you're going to suffer. All right. So we want the end result of a good third leg. Marketing is to maximize to maintain high occupancy and to maximize your cash flow. That is the third M? Are you starting to see now the importance of these M's? Let's go to the fourth M. Every successful commercial real estate investor has a mentor. Get mentored by me and my team by applying to be our next protege. Click the top corner. Here is the fourth leg of the four M's, and even though it's the last one, it is as equally important as the other three. Okay, the fourth leg of the stool is maintenance. Okay, maintenance is what I call the physical health of your property, where it protects your asset. Okay, it also keeps tenants safe and satisfied so they stay inside of your income producing property, and it stops small issues from becoming huger issues that cost a whole bunch of money. Okay, what the end result is, if you can have a good system of maintenance, it's going to help you retain the value of the property. You're going to be able to command higher rents, and you're going to attract the better tenants. Got it? All right, so that is the fourth M. Now, let me show you real quick how all of this is interconnected. All right, here is where I put it all together for you. I'm going to connect all the four legs, all the four M's are connected so you can see how it works. So if you have a underperforming property yourself, here's how to fix it. Or if you find a property that's distressed and you want to fix it, take a look at this, what's behind me. This will, I guarantee you, if a property is not performing well or performing well, it's because of the four M's. All right, so look at this example here. Let's say that, okay, here's a four-legged stool. Okay, this represents your property's systems. Okay, let's say your marketing is not working, right? You have poor marketing. You don't have good outreach to get people to rent your units. Guess what gets affected? Your money. Okay, the money on the property gets affected. Now, when you don't have the money to fix things on the property and to take care of it, guess what happens? Your maintenance falls down. When the maintenance falls down on the property, this puts enormous pressure on the management, and this can lead to a collapse. Okay, so that was marketing falling down, right? It doesn't matter which leg. Okay, so let's say that your maintenance, let's say your maintenance starts to fall down, where you don't have a good systems of how to take care of the maintenance of the property. This maintenance shortfall will impact your marketing. Okay, and if marketing is not working, money is going to fail. And if money fails, your management is going to fail. So you can see it doesn't matter which leg is not working, one could lead to a collapse. So your goal is to make sure that for marketing, money, maintenance, management, you have a good system. And this is exactly what we do for our system, for our students in our program. We make sure after they close a deal, we work with them on these four M's and make sure everything is optimized so they can meet their goals. All right? Okay. Hope you got it. Hope you like this demonstration of the four M's. If you did, do me a favor. Go ahead and click the like on the page here. Also, if you want to get more videos like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and we will push more your way. Or if you want to get mentored like the rest of our students that implement the four M's and create cash flow and life-changing properties, go ahead and click the link and see if you qualify for our mentorship. Thank you so much, everyone, for hanging out with me this long. I'll see you at the next video. Would you like to work with me? Every successful commercial real estate investor has a mentor. Learn more about my protege program right here.